If you clicked onto this video because you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing by promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products that can make you thousands of dollars every single week. With this strategy, you don't need to have any following, you don't need to have a website, and you can start this absolutely for free. On top of that, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that I'm personally doing right now that's making me well over $1,000 a day. With that being said, let's get straight into this video. So the first step when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing is going out there and getting yourself an offer. But what we want to do is we want to promote high ticket affiliate marketing products. So what we want to do is we want to come over to a platform like clickbank.com. Now, when you come over to ClickBank, you're going to have to create an account for yourself. Once you've done that, you want to come over to their marketplace. Now, what I like to do and what I like to promote myself, when I click onto all and I scroll down, you're going to be able to see that they've got business and investing, they've got e-business and e-marketing, and e-business and e-marketing is generally what I gravitate towards. So we're going to click onto that. Once we click onto this, what's going to happen is on the right hand side, you've got this sort results by. Now you can see you've got a drop down box. We want to click onto this, and what we're actually going to be looking at today is we're going to be clicking on average conversion high to low. We want products that are high ticket products that can make you as much as $1,800 a sale or $1,600 a sale. Now, all you need to do is click onto the name over here. And what this is going to do is it's going to open up a lot of these offers. So what I've done is I've gone through and I've clicked on all these offers on the first page, and I'm going to show them to you now. So the first one that I opened up is this one over here. It's called Perpetual Income 365. And what you're looking for is you're primarily looking for these sales pages that have a video on the front. Webinars convert really, really well, and videos explaining how this product works also converts really, really well. You basically need to have that in order to convert these high ticket affiliate marketing products. And this is exactly what I did when I first started, and I still do it to this day. So as you can see, this is one product. All people need to do is enter in their name and their email address to claim their spot to watch the full webinar once they've watched this introductory video. So this is like an introductory video, then they're going to go on to watch the webinar, and the webinar is going to sell itself. Here is another product that I found over here. This is a video that they can watch over here as well, and this is obviously going to teach them how to make $176 per day utilizing free traffic, etc. This is an amazing product. I've promoted this a lot myself, and I've actually made tens of thousands of dollars with this particular product. A lot of you have probably heard about John Crestani. His product still does remarkably well. He's updated it recently. It's also doing well. So this is where you would click here to attend that webinar as well. So this is what your customer is going to be seeing regardless of which one of these products you decide to promote. And remember, I'm going to show you where you're going to get this free traffic. Now guys, if you got to this point, all I ask that you do, which I forgot to ask you at the start of the video, is make sure that you like this video in appreciation, and you subscribe to the channel, because I've got some more awesome content coming your way. Now make sure that you turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I post one of these videos. So now that we know the different types of products that we can promote, how do we get that affiliate link? Well, what you need to do when you're over on ClickBank, let's just say you wanted to promote John Crestani's offer as an example. What you will do is you'd come over here, guys, and you would click on to promote. Once you click on to promote, you scroll down the bottom, you can see here generate hop link. Click onto this, and what that's going to do is give you a link like this that you can use. All you need to do is click on to copy. Now, once you have copied this link, what we now need to do is we need to shorten this link, and there's two sites that you can potentially go to shorten it. The first one is this one over here called bit.ly.com. It's free, as you can see. Get started absolutely for free, so you can use this one. Another really simple one that you can also use is this one over here called tinyurl. All you basically need to do is enter that affiliate link in there, and quite simply click on to shorten this URL, and it's going to give you a nice and simple shortened link just like that. The good thing about tinyurl as well, guys, if you wanted to, you can also change the back end of this. Now I've just left it to be generic for what Tiny URL selects. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to get this free traffic. Now once you see the traffic source, I want you to make sure that you pay close attention, because a lot of people talk about and show you how to do this, but they don't show you exactly the way I do it and how to get the engagement. And also a lot of the times they're telling you things that could potentially get you banned. I'm going to show you how to do this without you having any issues, and I'm going to prove to you that people are absolutely crushing it with this strategy and getting a ton of engagement, a ton of people interested, which would mean that they would be making these affiliate marketing commissions. Now, the strategy does involve using Facebook, and Facebook is super powerful if you know how to do this correctly. And what we want to do, because we're promoting an affiliate marketing product, high ticket affiliate marketing product, what we want to be doing is we want to come up to the top and you want to type in, for example, affiliate marketing. And from there, what we want to do is we want to scroll down and we want to click onto groups. Now, there are hundreds of groups in affiliate marketing, as you can see, with hundreds of thousands of members. Some have 23,000 members, 51,000 members, 79,000 members, etc. As you can see, I'm a member of a lot of these groups. Guys, this is how I made my first dollar online, staying consistent with methods exactly like this. And I guarantee you, if you follow what I do, it's inevitable that you are going to get sales. Like I said, 30 minutes to 1 hour a day is all you need. So the first step to this is you want to go down and you want to click on to join. You want to join a lot of these groups. You can also type in high ticket affiliate marketing, etc. Once you have joined all these groups, what you are going to find as you scroll down, you're going to see similar people doing what I'm about to tell you. And you can see that they're putting up posts inside these groups with these different types of posts that are highly engaging. As an example, are you an affiliate marketer struggling to generate leads? I'm here to help you with a killer strategy. Guys, take a look at this. 270 comments, 270 people have replied back to this comment, and what they're basically doing is they're saying things like, I'm interested, yes, please. And then what this person is doing is they're going back and directly messaging these people with potentially an offer or their own course. And out of those 270 people, if you can imagine, they put up this exact same post in a lot of these affiliate marketing groups. This is 270 engagements of potentially high converting people because they're highly interested in this. You would be making some serious money online. And I want to show you exactly the different types of things that you can be writing. So as we scroll down, you're going to find a lot of these. Guys, this is just one group. Now, you don't want to go out and just spam one group. You can easily do this with a lot of these different groups. Let me show you some of the stuff that people are doing. Then I'm going to show you exactly what you could be writing with the product that we are promoting. So here is another one that I found over here. As you can see, this is exactly the one that we just had a look at. Another one over here that I found is this one. It says, if you want to start affiliate marketing but don't have $20,000-$30,000, drop a comment below if you're interested. As you can see, 45 comments. Another one over here, send me your country name and I'll give you the best make money online websites. What you can write is something like, send me your country and I'll send you the best affiliate marketing strategy or the best way to make money online. You can even do it like that. Guys, take a look at this. 432 comments to this that you would need to go back and directly message all these people with that affiliate link. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to write. And then here is another one. If you want to learn how to earn up to $2,000 potentially a week without referring anyone, ask me for a 5-minute video. So this person is going to send them to that landing page, which potentially has a video, which can then lead them over to a high converting webinar, which is going to convert itself. Now, what I want to do is show you a few things that I've been writing previously in the past and exactly how I'd structure it. Then what I want to do is explain to you exactly what you are going to write when people reply back to you. So here is one of the ones that I've come up with and ones that I've used. So I'm looking to teach 10 highly motivated people how to make high ticket commissions. Comment yes if you are interested. Very, very simple stuff. Then just hit post. 100% people are going to be writing back, yes, 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 yes. Here is another one over here that you can find. Free webinar, how to make money with affiliate marketing. Comment yes so I can send you that free video now. once you say free and people are interested, they will definitely sit there writing free, and then it's up to that webinar to convert itself. If I click onto the third one over here that I came up with for you guys, as you can see here, I made $387 yesterday. I can send you a free video to teach you how, comment video. Now, if you haven't made any money doing this, what you can say is how people are making XYZ, or how someone made XYZ yesterday with this affiliate marketing strategy, etc., and then comment video, and I'll send that over to you straight away. Now, what's going to happen, as you saw with a lot of these different posts, is people are going to come down, guys, and they're going to write their country name, or what they're going to do is they're going to write that they're interested, or they're going to write yes, etc. Once they do that, what you need to do then is you need to start replying to them. And when you reply to them, basically what you want to do, as you can see, this is what I use exactly. I write, "Hi, thank you for replying. Please check your DM. I just sent you all the details." And then from there, what's going to happen is you actually need to send them these details. So you need to click onto their profile, and you need to send them a message, a private message, a DM, direct message. And this is what you want to do. You want to say, "Hi there, here is the link as promised," and then you want to insert that link. The link that you are going to be inserting is the one that you shortened, as you can see here, through tinyURL. That's the link that you are going to be sending, which is going to drive them directly to the offer that you are promoting. Then what you want to do down the bottom is just give them a little bit of details about this particular product. That just depends on the one that you want to promote. As you can see, I've got here, the training in this video is going to teach you everything you need to start generating your first $100 online, and then going on to make $500. And if you stay consistent with this strategy and follow the training, you could be making as much as some of the students that have done really well with this course and earn anything from $1,000 to $3,000 a day online. This is information that I got from the particular product that I was promoting, and this is why I was using this. Then you can put enjoy, or you can even write something like, "If you have any more questions, feel free to message me back." I do something very, very similar even on Instagram, where I say reply with the word yes, etc. Write you're interested, and then what I do is I write something very, very similar, and you'll be surprised with how many people click onto those links, how many people go there and actually watch these videos, and how many people sign up and purchase these products. This is one of the easiest ways for you to start making money with affiliate marketing, guys. If you don't have a following, if you don't have a website, if you don't want to show your face on camera, then you need to go through these types of strategies to start converting. So that's what you need to do to start making high ticket affiliate marketing commissions. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button in appreciation, and that you're subscribed to the channel, but don't go anywhere. I've got another amazing video that you should watch right now to learn how a beginner makes hundreds of dollars every single day, and I'm going to show you what they do and how they did it. I'll see you on that video. Until next time, take care of yourselves, and goodbye.